Sawmill Flat.
Hi guys. As you can tell, that we're kind of sick.
Just a little bit.
And Ray Fox is still eating his Micronite. Paper candy. Check out my new gaming channel.
This feels more like what we're supposed to be on.
Yeah. Oh, check out my friend's Mia Universe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring that little bell in the description. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like off-roading.
Getting lost in the woods.
What the? Wrong way?
Nope, right way. Which way to Sawmill Flat? Excellent. Okay. 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 Thank you.
Yeah. Clear it out.
It's your 11S12. Does that sound familiar to you?
I might not be the best person to ask.
That's okay. It's okay.
I think it's back that way though.
When we hit this road, we came in on this little one down here, which is a great little road, and we landed on your guys' road somewhere here. And I turned left and took it down to where you had the logs piled up, and we're like, this is not the right way. So we came back around. We got to be somewhere down in here.
Grove is up that way.
Yeah, I know where McKinley Grove is.
So it follows down
I came
from there.
down this dashed one.
The four-wheel
So
drive.
yeah, I'm waiting to get to 11S12 so I can hang a left.
Yeah.
So you said Sawmill Flats that
Should
way?
be that way, yes.
Perfect. That's all I need to know. Awesome.
It's nice for me to see the map. I just get told where to go.
I work on cell phone towers. It's kind of the same way.
All right.
They're like, here's your address, go. At least I have addresses to go by, and I have internet where I'm at.
Right, there's nothing up here.
There's nothing here. Cool. So this is an awesome road. If you get a chance to just drive the truck on it, like one of the.
Is it pretty like well kept or?
No, it's not. But
It's better.
I don't have 4-wheel drive right now.
Did you still made it?
Oh yeah, I did the whole thing in 2-wheel,
That's awesome.
with a canoe on the roof, and a whole thing of camping gear. So one of these pickup trucks could do it. You wouldn't be able to take one of the huge tractors or even the big rigs through, but
Yeah.
just a little pickup truck. It takes you right to the lake too.
That's
It's
awesome.
pretty sweet. So.
Where does that tie in at? Over here. Back off.
Well, I came in from Wishorn Lake, so I came all the way down. I assume I'm somewhere in here somewhere.
So when you came up right here, you dropped off probably at that corner right there?
Yeah, this corner that you got
Okay.
down here, and I hit the corner, and I turned left because I assumed I was here, and it took me down to where you guys have the logs stacked up.
Yeah.
And then the road just all of a sudden just disappeared, and I went, not the right way.
We were wary about putting logs on the corner where you came in at too. We almost had that blocked.
Oh, you almost had that blocked off too.
We didn't.
You know what? If you blocked it off, I would have just flipped around and gone back out and called it a day.
Yeah. I would have put a damper on things.
That's
Father's
okay.
Day weekend.
Yeah, well, we're gonna come all the way down to here, and then I pick up tour number 9 over here. Oh, And then 9 is going to take me all the way down to here, and then we're going to come back up to the Delali lookout. And then after that, I think I'll be out of gas, and I'll have to find a gas station. But it's good times.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, well, I think it looks like it's cleared up now.
Yeah, if you get a chance, drive that little road. It's really pretty.
All right. Is it clear to go, Cody? All right, well, I'll try to keep an eye on the radio. I got to clean these up for a second, so.
Go first.
All right.
Should I just cruise over there? They're working, or just hang here?
I would say hang here.
Hang here? Perfect.
You might have to be moving stuff around.
Not a problem. I'll hang here.